Good morning, Hot Wheels shoppers! Okay, last day of the week of the last week of February. Well, technically, next week, still 2 days within February, and then March kicks in. But let's call it last week, okay? All right, Albertson'S. I am here today, so again. So today I'm gonna see if I can get some more Hot Wheels. Hope they put something new. Let's go in and verify, check the situation here at Albertson's. And as you know now, Hot Wheels are in the freezer island right here, and they're right at the end, left side. And oh, they do have some, but they're all the same. This is new. 6 of 6. Is that it? Okay, 2 of 6. Which one is the good one here, guys? Are they all the same? Okay. I got 2 of 6, 2 of 6, 2 of 6, 6 of 6. They look the same. 2 of 6, 2 of 6, 2 of 6, 2 of 6. Oh wow. Only not surprising. They look the same, but these are so neat. Cannot, take them with me. So wow. Situation is looking really good. Oh, okay. Let's see what else. And then yeah, there's only 2. Oh wait. Let's see if something drops something down there. You never know. Nothing. Alright guys. Don't know how much they cost. What is it? 130? 125? We're gonna take this too. Now let's go to the other location. Remember how I left this the other day? Look how it looks now. Incredible. But I don't know if it looks better like this or not. But it is what it is. Now let's go to the other location. Yeah. They're there. And oh, there is the Mega Block, the phone checker back there. All right, guys. Let's get this too. And that's Albertson's situation. Very good. Guys, no. How come? This is surprising. These old. See, always look. I think I missed this the other day, but look what. Guys, the Hot Wheels situation here in Albertson is super. It's super. Look at this. Super nice. This Albertson had it. Got lots of Hot Wheels. So really, wow. I'm like, wow. I'm floored. So just because of that, I'm gonna get 2 more so I can get the deal 4 for 5. I don't know if this costs the same, but I'm gonna get 2 more. All right, guys. So the situation here is pretty cool. If I find something really nice, which I don't think, I'll show it to you. But if not, this is it. This is the end of this section in the morning. Let's go to Walmart. And here we are, Walmart. Let's go in. Without further ado, when you come to Walmart, you always have to keep in mind that a few minutes later, everything changes from a quiet store to a very busy one. So do not change your routine and your timings, okay?